seem to be having an issue where the laser's losing focus randomly. It just like totally loses focus. You can hear it searching. And then it restarts. Yeah, it's not anything to do with the CD. Alright, so we made some adjustments to the laser focus and the laser tracking. I would say it's not perfect, but it's definitely better than it was. So I'll show you the quick adjustment that I made on the tracking and laser focus potentiometers. There's two of them on the circuit board that are accessible. The first one, I adjusted about 5 degrees clockwise, and the second one, I adjusted about 10 or 20 degrees clockwise. And that really seemed to help. Well, time will tell. I'm going to play a few CDs. But thanks for watching.